Hi guys, today we will talk about how to receive money on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on money, and you come to next window here, then you just click here on receive money, and you come to next window here, so then you click here on verify, and it's going to take you to this window. You click here, so you click here on accept, then it's going to take you to this window. You add your information and you click to next, and it's going to add video. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.